Hey, 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 it's Sandra here. My channel is called Sussex Sandra. And you know what? It's time to pick my glam bag already for July. I just feel like I just did the choices for June. Saying that though, my June box has arrived today, so I will start doing my unboxing of my June products this weekend. But today, let's focus on making my choices for my July glam bag. So I have two accounts for those of you who don't know. So I've got an account in my beauty profile, middle-aged black woman, natural textured hair, dark skin. And the second beauty profile is in my daughter, who is much younger, early 20s, lighter skin tone, different type hair, sort of straighter, curlier hair, type 3 hair, which is what most people commonly know it as. Not so much a makeup lover, my daughter, whereas I am very much a makeup lover. So let's make our choices. The glam bag is the one that costs $16. You get 5 sort of sample travel size items in there. Ipsy pick 4 and we have a choice of 1. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's do the first account. Let's have a look. All right, so choices are, we've got this thing here, What's Up Beauty Flirtique Eye and Cheek Palette. All right, so it's costing $28. Sort of like berry coloured shades. That blush colour is not going to work for me. It's a little bit on the light side. It would be more like a highlighter on me. Okay, that's the first choice. Let's have a look and see what else there is. I naturally go for the makeup items. What's this? Real Her Fix Bravery Long Lasting Makeup Collagen Setting Spray. Don't need a setting spray. We've got a mini plumping lip water in Agua Fresca. What is that? Is it just a lip balm? It's a lip plumper. Right, okay, gotcha. I didn't comprehend that properly. Next is from Duo de Gauze, Amalfi Glaze Mini Body Serum. Dear, what's this? Elevate Your Glow. So some sort of glowy product. No. Then we've got, what else we got? We've got a duo lip liner. Let's look at the colour that they're providing here. Colour Raisin and Very Fierce. So it's a deep berry and mid-tone cool. It's the kind of colour I'd probably use as a base, and then I'd put a dark lip liner around it and put a lip gloss on top. Then we've got from Tony Moly the Choc Green Tea Foam Cleanser. And then we've got from Toy Factory Naya Brow Serum Brow Gel Mini. I'm not impressed with any of these, really. I think I'm going to go for the Duo Lip Liner, because what I'll probably do with that is use it as a base for a lip gloss. So I'm going to go with that one. So that's my first account. Let's go to the second account. So excuse me 1 second. All right, so this is the second account. So let's have a look and see what we have here. All right. Bit different. So we have got an Ace Beauty Sculpt and Define Contour Stick in Dark. Let's have a look and see how dark that is. Okay. I might end up choosing that if the other products are the same. So we've got the same Flirtique Eye and Cheek palette. We've got the setting spray. We've got that lip plumper. We've got the mini body glaze. We've got the duo lip liner, the Choc face cleanser, and a Toy Factory brow serum. All right, I'm going for that Ace Beauty Sculpt and Define Contour Stick in Dark. So let's do that. Confirm selection. Oh, that was easy, wasn't it? That was very easy. There we go, all done. So I'll be receiving all those products in the July boxes. All right, so I will see you then, and hopefully you're going to join me at the weekend when I start unboxing my June American beauty boxes. All right, guys, take care. Thanks very much for watching. See you soon.